Welcome back to Charlie B's Business with me, Charlie B. Today I want to talk to you, all you teenagers out there, about how you can start earning money online. It's strange times out there with all the lockdowns going on, the coronavirus and all that, and people are looking for ways to earn money online. You know, if you're stuck in at home, instead of playing computer games, you're watching this. There's some incredible young entrepreneurs out there that are making huge waves and huge money from online business. There's a number of different ways you can do it, but I think what I want to talk to you about today is what I think is the easiest, the best model for earning money online if you have no experience. It's affiliate marketing, and the reason it's such a good business model for you guys, teenagers specifically, to earn money online is because the barrier of entry is so low. It costs very little to get started. You can get started for nothing. There's information out there that can help you get started. You can watch videos like this on YouTube. And there's plenty out there. Subscribe to my channel. You can check out some of my other videos. I'm releasing videos regularly, on how to grow an affiliate marketing business. That's my main focus here on this channel. And you can do that for free. You can get that information free. The problem is with the free information is it can be a bit broken, a bit segmented, and it's very difficult to put all them pieces of the puzzle together. But still, for very low cost, you can get into a program that can show you all of it, step by step, walk you through exactly how to set everything up. When I first started back in 2019, I had no idea what affiliate marketing was. I had no experience online at all. And I joined a program that allowed me to tap into a multiple $1 million business, to get into their profit cycle, to tap into their profit cycle, use all of the assets of that business, and also along with that, it gave me a full training from the basics to start. So I had no experience at all. It taught me what affiliate marketing was, how to get everything set up, what tools I needed, how to set the tools up, how to start marketing, how to start getting your personal brand, how to build that, how to start building a YouTube channel just like this, how to start doing Facebook marketing, how to get out there on Facebook, how to build Facebook pages, all of this stuff. And along the way, there's a whole community of people as well that you're involved with. You get access to a whole community of people. And the cost of this is $7. That's all it cost me to get started. I was a bit skeptical at first. I'd done my research. I looked at YouTube videos like you're doing right now, trying to find ways to do it. And then I come across my mentor, who created this program, and I thought, $7. What have I got to lose? And that was the best investment I made in myself that I've ever done in my life. For $7, the value was absolutely incredible, and it really got me going. And because it's such a low amount of money, there's very little risk for you guys out there. And I know as a teenager, money might be tight. You might not have a lot of money. You might have a little job on the side. You might have some money tucked away in a bank, but you're not going to have huge amounts of money. And you want to be able to make an investment of that money, the little money that you do have. You want to invest that and be able to grow it. And the best way to invest that is in yourselves. So again, you can check out the videos. You can go and do it for free. There's certain ways to do it for free. I talk about this a lot more. And below, I'll put a link to my free training that I've put together. I've put together a free training series, and you can have access to that. All you've got to do is stick an email in there, guys, and you can get free access to that. And that talks to you a lot more about what affiliate marketing is and how you can start to grow that business. And within that, there's also the link to the training program that I want to talk to you about, which is PWA, Partner with Anthony. It's created by a guy called Anthony Morrison. I've done some reviews on that, so please feel free to go and check them out on my channel as well, because the review gives my honest opinion of the program. And as I said, it was the best investment I made in myself back in 2019. It really got me started. It really showed me how to build a business. And it's the structure of it is that you tap into Anthony Morrison's business, and in that, it's called the partnership strategy. So you buy in at the low end of the product line. So for $7, you buy into Partner with Anthony, and then for that, you're able to then grow your business. he teaches you how to build that business, and then you can buy into the ambassador program. The ambassador program is where the magic happens. Once you buy into the ambassador program, which is an additional cost, yes, but once you get into that, you get the commissions on all of the other products within that program, and all of the software as well that Anthony Morrison doesn't even own. If someone buys any of those products, any of that software through the program itself, through Partner of Anthony, which all of this, by the way, he's teaching you how to set up and build something. He's promoting that along the way, because it's stuff that you don't need to start with, or you don't really need, but it helps you grow that business quicker. And eventually, when you start to grow a business, you need these tools. You need funnel building software. You need link tracking software. You need email marketing software. It's part of the affiliate marketing business. Is something you need, and to grow the business, you need all that. And when people buy through that, you get all the commissions. So not only do you get upfront commissions, one-time commissions, high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions, but you also get recurring revenue from software as well. This is where it becomes really, really powerful. So feel free to check the link out below, guys. Sign up to the free training. Make sure you put good email in there, because it's going to be emailed to you over 4 consecutive days. And then go and check out the video from my mentor. Go and click on the link in that training series. Go and check out the video, and start going and looking at how PWA can really help you build that business up. I think it's probably the best way for you guys to get started online. So there's plenty of other ways that you can earn money online, but a lot of them a lot harder to start, but this program will teach you from basics. So I really feel it is the best program out there in affiliate marketing right now, and there's a lot, so be careful what you sign up to. But my free training obviously doesn't cost you anything, just a bit of your time to go and watch the videos. So please go and check them out, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care.